How often do you read books? I read books almost every day, nearly 2 hours, whenever I am free. What's your favorite type of book? I love reading about different cultures, adventures, and ghost stories, and there are many more like that. What can you learn from books? Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world, and books are also my best friends. Where do you read books? It depends. I read books at home, sometimes in the library if I am in the school, or it could also be when I am traveling. What's the most interesting book you have ever read? That book is Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. The more I read it, I just begin to imagine with a boy with his magical power surrounded by the wizard. Wow, just amazing. How long does it take for you to finish a book? It depends on the size of the book. Normally, I could complete a book in a week, but sometimes if my mood is off and I'm disturbed, it may go up to 2 to 3 weeks or could be even more. Do you usually bring books with you when you are traveling? Of course I do. When I'm at the station waiting for the train, when I'm in a silent place or at a picnic, if I feel bored, I just take it out from my bag and read. Is there any bookstore or library in your area? I don't know. I just moved to a new place called Sandwa. So I don't have much idea about this place as I don't go out very often. Anyway, I need to find out if there is one here. All right. Dear students, you have just heard this conversation between two people. And now in the next, fill in the gaps using your own speeches. How often do you read books? What's your favorite type of book? What can you learn from books? Where do you read books? What's the most interesting book you have ever read? How long does it take for you to finish a book? Do you usually bring books with you when you are traveling? Is there any bookstore or library in your area? All right.